Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change Ynab account's password. If you want to change your Ynab login password, then the process is quite easy. So let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open your Ynab application on your mobile device. You can also go visit Ynab website using your web browser. Once you open the application, make sure that you are signed into your account. After signing in, go to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu option or the three dots. Now click on Settings and Privacy. From the Account option, tap on Account Settings. Click on Change Email and Password option under Login Methods. Now, scroll down and right where it says Current Password, type in your current login password that you are using for your Ynab account. After typing in your current password, type in a new password for your account you'd like to change to on the next field. Finally, tap on the Change Password button and you will then be able to change your password for Ynab. Next time you log out of your account, you will need to type in the newly updated password to log in back again. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.